what's up? I'm so excited today because I've got a new gadget. One of the best inventions so far in 2017. And this is called DJI SPARK. Oh yeah. So let's unbox the DJI SPARK. I've got the Fly More Combo SPARK. Alright, let's unbox it. Fresh from the store. DJI. So my DJI SPARK is color white. It's alpine white. So let's unbox it by one hand. Alright. Let's see what's inside. Stickers. Away. Let's see what's inside. How to open. Go. Wow. So this is the box. There's a box. This is the bag. The bag. So let's see what's inside. In the bag, there's the remote controller. DJI controller. Awesome. And charger. DJI charger. Wow. Plug. And this is the propeller guards, I think. This is the propeller guards. Yeah. And that's it. A very nice bag for your controllers. It's from DJI. So this box, I think, is the drone. Okay, let's open it. Oh wow. So this is the drone. Alpine white, right? What's this? Ah, extra propeller. 2 extra propeller. 1, 2 inside. Extra battery. Alright. Oh, another propeller. So I've got 4 extra propeller. And this is the drone. Wow. Solid. DJI SPARK. Color white. Dope. On this box, manuals, just manuals, so nothing special. It's like a book. So in the bag, there's another accessories, the USB for charging, and the SPARK battery charging hub. See? So this is where you charge the batteries. 3 batteries. Alright. So basically that's it. the bag, remote control, charging station or charging hub for the batteries, extra propellers, batteries, USB cable, propeller guards, the manuals, so many manuals, and the DJI SPARK. Awesome. So I'm gonna do a test on this DJI SPARK. Yeah, fresh from the box. Damn.